Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the next session. So today we are going to discuss about the recruitment in Bharat Electronics Limited. So basically it is called as BEL. So Bharat Electronics Limited, a Navaratna company and its premier professional electronics company under the Ministry of Defense. So it comes under the Ministry of Defense, guys. So requires the following personnel on contract basis. So basically EVM production is there for export manufacturing and SC and US military radars and military communication SBUs. So in Bengaluru complex the work location will be in Bengaluru. So basically we need to prepare these things, EVM and SC military radar. So all those things will be like project titles for you guys. And coming to the post, there are two types of post here. So trainee engineer and project engineer. So trainee engineer doesn't require any experience, or it doesn't need any experience for application. And coming to project engineer, it requires experience. So if you have got experience, then you can apply for project engineer. And if you don't have any experience, or if you are just a fresher, or if you are studying in your final year, so you can apply for trainee engineer. Okay, so there will be no exam, guys. It will be direct selection based on the percentage which you have made in your final exams, or the percentage which you have got in your BE, right? So it will be like a short listing of candidates. After that a interview will be conducted by the BEL personals. Okay, so after that they will be awarding some marks, and based on that a final shortlisted selection, list will be produced. So if you fit on that list, then you will be joining the company, otherwise you won't. Okay, and coming to the post distribution, so there are totally 308 posts for trainee engineer. Upper age limit as on 1/8/2021 you should calculate, and it is 25 years. That means you shouldn't be more than 25 years old when you are applying. So on the date, it has mentioned that 1/8/2021. So reservation of post, there are unreserved post 124, economically weaker section 31 posts are allotted. Okay, so other backward classes 83 posts are allotted, and after SC 47, ST 23. So consolidated remuneration per month. So first year, so totally 3-year contract work will be there. After that you will be recruited as a permanent employee, and of course you will be given a experience certificate, right? So in first year you will be paid 25,000, and in second year you will be paid 28,000, and in third year you will be paid 31,000. So project location, it will be all and in Bangalore. Okay, so basically in Yeshwantpura, if I am not wrong. Then project engineer, you will be having 203 posts. So age limit 28, and this requires experience, so that's why age limit is 28. And you can see the distribution according to the caste and categories. First year stipend will be 35,000, second year 40, third year again 45, and fourth year 50,000. So this is all about post and the pay scale. So after that terms and engagement, project engineers will be engaged minimum 2 years, and it will be extended to 3 years, and trainee engineers minimum 1 year and extended to 3 years. So qualification for the project engineer 1 and trainee engineer. So for project engineer and trainee engineer, you should have 4 years full in BE, BTech engineering, course pharma, any college, and disciplines are electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, so mechanical, electrical and electronics. So first class is indicated qualification for general, OBC and EWS candidates, and pass class for SC, ST and PWD candidates. So you should have done engineering from any of these branches which I have just mentioned. So after that, post qualification experience. So for trainee engineer 1 there is no experience required, and for project engineer there is minimum 2 years experience in the relevant field. Okay, so that is mandatory, guys. And the selection procedure, as I have told, it will be based on 75% of BE BTech marks, 10% will be allotted for relevant experience, and after that 15% will be allotted for interviews. And the candidates will be called for interviews based on 1:5 ratio. That means, so if there are 5 posts and 25 students will be called for interviews, and right? So that is 1:5 ratio how they will be calling. And you need to convert your CGPA into a percentage before applying. And how to apply, I've got a link in the description. Just click on that one and you will reach the official website of BEL. So after that you can just fill the registration form, upload the required documents and just do the formality. So you have to pay the fees as well. So application fees for project engineer, if you are a general, EWS and OBC candidate, you need to pay 500 rupees, and if you are applying for training engineer post, then you need to pay 200 rupees. So that is basically the fee structure all about, and you have to collect it on the SBI bank. Alright, so these are the few documents which you need to keep ready while applying for the post. And